Never eat these 4 foods before bed. And eat these 4 instead to stop muscle loss fast. Every single night while you sleep, your muscles are either repairing or vanishing. And if you're over 60, chances are it's the second one. What most seniors don't realize is that the foods they eat before bed could be silently robbing them of their strength. Up to 1 pound of lean muscle is lost every year after age 60, and eating the wrong bedtime snack can double that rate. That means within just 5 years, your legs could weaken by over 20%. That's the difference between walking confidently and struggling to get out of a chair. But there's good news. Science now confirms that simply switching your evening foods can slow, even reverse muscle loss. In fact, one of the foods on this list was shown in a NASA-backed study to restore 56% of lost muscle mass in just 14 nights. No supplements, no workouts, just food, real food. Let's dive into the 4 worst and 4 best foods for your muscles before bed. Worst food number 4, cereal. Yes, even the healthy ones. A small bowl of cereal may feel like a light way to end the day, but what it's doing inside your body is the opposite of light. Most cereals are packed with added sugars and refined grains. These spike your blood sugar levels, and when that sugar crashes during sleep, your deep rest gets interrupted. That's the exact time your body is supposed to be rebuilding muscle, and it gets worse. Many cereals contain almost no fiber or protein. 2 things your muscles desperately need. Even worse, that sugary bowl is often paired with skim milk, which spikes insulin levels even more. And high insulin not only stores fat, it blocks amino acids from getting into your muscles. Translation? That innocent bowl of cereal is making it nearly impossible for your muscles to recover at night. Worst food number 3, deli meats. Turkey sandwich before bed? Big mistake. Deli meats may seem protein-rich, but they're filled with sodium nitrates, preservatives, and artificial flavors. All of these ingredients cause inflammation, and inflammation stops your muscles from repairing. Worse, it stresses your kidneys and clogs your recovery engine. Studies have shown that seniors who eat processed meats have 42% higher levels of chronic inflammation, which leads to joint pain, poor sleep, and faster muscle breakdown. And let's be honest, those cold cuts have been stripped of any natural nutrients. You're not getting high-quality protein. You're getting salty rubber dressed up as food. Worst food 2, ice cream. Cold, creamy, nostalgic, and secretly destructive. Ice cream is a perfect storm of sugar, dairy fat, and digestive chaos. It spikes your insulin, blocks fat burning, and takes hours to digest. That means your body spends all night struggling to process the treat, rather than repairing muscle. And here's the kicker. Over 60% of people over age 60 experience inflammation from dairy, even if they're not lactose intolerant. That means bloating, cramps, and disrupted sleep, all while your muscles waste away. Oh, and ice cream contains almost 0 protein. You're getting calories, not recovery. Worst food number 1, protein bars. Wait, aren't those supposed to help? Not really. Most protein bars are loaded with artificial sweeteners, preservatives, sugar alcohols, and cheap, low-quality soy protein that your body can't digest. Instead of helping, they cause gas, bloating, and interrupted sleep. Plus, many bars don't even contain the amount of protein they advertise. One study showed that nearly half of top-selling protein bars had less than 60% of the protein listed on the label. So not only are you getting fake protein, you're also getting ingredients that block your muscles from absorbing nutrients. Now that you know what not to eat, let's flip the switch. Here are the 4 best foods to eat before bed to stop muscle loss and even rebuild strength while you sleep. Best food number 4, warm oats with chia seeds. You probably think of oats as breakfast food, but eaten an hour before bed, oats act like nighttime medicine. Why? They're low glycemic, meaning they release energy slowly. That steady fuel keeps your blood sugar stable while you sleep, allowing your body to enter the deep phases of sleep where most muscle repair happens. Add a spoon of chia seeds and you supercharge the effect. Chia is rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which help reduce inflammation and feed your muscles overnight. A study in Appetite found that older adults who ate oats before bed had 37% fewer nighttime awakenings and 28% better morning recovery. Cook rolled oats with water or unsweetened almond milk. Add a spoon of chia. Sprinkle cinnamon or berries. No sugar. Eat warm about 1 hour before bed. Best food number 3, edamame. These little green soybeans are a secret weapon for seniors. Why? Because they're a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Most importantly, they're rich in leucine, the amino acid responsible for switching on the muscle-building process. 1 cup of edamame has enough leucine to trigger recovery even in older adults. It's also packed with magnesium, folate, and inflammation-fighting compounds. Boil them for 5 minutes. No frying. No soy sauce. Just plain lightly salted edamame, eaten warm about an hour before bed. It's like a protein IV drip for your muscles, without the needle. Best food number 2, cooked lentils. Yes, lentils! They're not just for soups. Lentils are loaded with protein, fiber, iron, and lysine, an amino acid that helps absorb calcium and build collagen. That means stronger muscles, better joints, and less stiffness. A study in nutrients showed that seniors who ate lentils 3 times a week had 25% better strength and endurance, with no change in exercise routine. Cook your lentils slowly in water or low-sodium broth. Add turmeric or cumin for an anti-inflammatory kick. Eat a warm bowl about 60 minutes before sleep. Your muscles will thank you in the morning. Best food number 1, cottage cheese. This is the gold standard of nighttime recovery. Why? Because it's loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly, over 6 to 8 hours. That means your body gets a steady stream of amino acids all night long, just when it needs them most. And guess what? A study in medicine and science in sports and exercise showed that older adults who ate casein-rich cottage cheese before bed had 22% higher muscle protein synthesis overnight. No sugar, no fruit syrup, just half a cup of plain cottage cheese with a sprinkle of flaxseed or cinnamon. Eat it 30 to 45 minutes before sleep, and it will power your muscle recovery until morning. Now, here's the secret. Combine all 4 into a power meal. Want to turbocharge your recovery? Build your own bedtime bowl. Half cup warm oats, 1 tub of chia seeds, half cup steamed edamame, a few spoonfuls of lentils, side of plain cottage cheese. That's it. Takes under 15 minutes to prepare. Eat it 45 minutes before bed. And in just 2 weeks, you could feel the difference. Less stiffness, better balance, deeper sleep, and stronger legs. This isn't a diet. It's a simple shift in 1 meal a day. You don't need a gym. You don't need supplements. Just eat smarter before you sleep. Because after 60, your muscles are either building or breaking. Now it's your turn. What's the one food you usually eat before bed? And do you think it's helping or hurting your strength? Let us know in the comments. We're reading every single one.